boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Bestselling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop, a.k.a. the Baby Knockout GOAT. Ladies and gentlemen, The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I just give you stocks real low that go up real high sometimes. We're having a great day. When you're indoors and it's 75 degrees and outdoors it's 110 plus, and it's been that way for days, then you just mellow out, man, and you're cool, you know. I do understand that there's a heat wave going on, and I'm mindful of that, and there's flooding going on in the northeastern part of America. My niece, who's at West Point there, I did contact her, and she said everything, her and her husband were doing well, but their neighbors may have suffered some damage, but they were fine. So thank God for them. Ladies and gentlemen, the newsletter is out. Make sure you get your copy. We have a special African uranium update here on the big story coming out of Africa right now. There's been a big merger. We'll talk about that in the newsletter a little bit here. You'll hear about it if you haven't heard already. There's going to be a gold and silver update. As you know, there's going to be a big meeting here in August. The BRIC countries will decide if they want to go with another currency backed by gold. And that may affect the price of gold. Just a little, maybe just a little. We'll see, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see how that goes. Also, in your newsletter, you'll have some of those stocks. The carbon credit update here. We'll talk about here in a second. Here, what happened today was our carbon credit leader, our baby knockout leader, kind of hit the roof, went way up, and then came back down. So that happens from time to time. We shall see, ladies and gentlemen. But I don't want to be too long today. I just want to let you guys know I'm at the summer league. I'm watching some of the games and all that stuff, and I just want you guys to know that I'm thinking about you. And our squeeze-upple is still on, and Kastatum Prom. We want our deliveries on time. This is, I'm talking as a utility in the West. We want our deliveries. We want that cheap uranium, that dirt cheap, uranium from, Kastatum Prom. And we want to make sure Rosatom makes it happen. And we want all this cheap stuff. And believe it or not, I love, for years and years and years, I love the great Rick Rule, but we don't agree on it. We agree on everything and very seldom disagree on. That's one of the things he loves that Kastatum Prom, which put my personal views aside. I'd love it too as an investment. It's a great investment. It's been a great investment for years, but I just prefer Cameco up in Canada, which is my cup of tea there. And I'm not saying, don't write me, don't say, Rick, you disagree with, can I disagree with a legend on something? I will hear it next time I see him. But anyway, you guys, I want to show you some charts here, and like I said, I'm City of Champions, basketball champions, the Aces, Asian company, Jackie and all those ladies are just on fire, man. 19, 20, and 2 or something. All-star game weekend, all that good stuff. Summer League, Hoop Heaven is where I am, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't I tell you a certain time is it time to buy Bitcoin? What did I say, 6 to 9 months before the halving? We'll take a look at that trade here one of these days. I gotta get with the same leaders are going to lead, but there's going to be additional leaders. And loading up right now, you do what you do, And we did a very, very good trade the last time we traded with Bitcoin, and last time we traded with the cryptos, period, And you see Megan out there? Megan is tearing it up. I'm talking about crypto Megan. So we'll be getting her assistance, you know, as we go through this bull market. As we go through, you know, Bitcoin's looking at 30,000, you know, and she's in the whole area. She's in the whole ball game now, not just Bitcoin. She's in the whole bar. NFTs, she's there. She's America and the world's #1 spokesperson for NFTs. So, you know, and she started right here on the scoop. So that's ours right there. We claim that. Just kidding, Megan. We'll talk. We'll get together. It's all good. We're having fun, though. We're having fun. You know, you make a little money, guys. I'm not here to make you rich, but you can become very comfortable, okay? Trading baby knockouts for a living, you can become very comfortable. Now, it can be very, very satisfying. But I'm not here to make you rich. Not here to make you rich, you know. Some of you say, Mickey D, I made $500,000 on this, you know. That's not, keep that to you and your God and your tax person. Don't tell me. Tell me you're comfortable. How about that? Mickey D, I'm comfortable because I've been listening to The Scoop and I've bought all the books. And I did a little crazy trade, like I traded a carbon credit company that hit $9 today, Mickey D, and you gave it to us at a quarter, 25 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents or something. It hit almost $9 today. So that's comfort, you know, when you bought thousands of shares of a little stock and it's gone up, and you know your bank account, your bank wad that's comfort. But let's take a look at the charts, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll see where we can go from there. It's music time. It's chart time. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's look at a couple uranium companies. Our leader, Cameco, right now, if you can see, the black line is the 13-day moving average, and the red line is the 48-day moving average. You can use the 50. You can use whatever you want to use. We like to get in a couple days early because, as I've been saying for years, Wall Street cheats. So we should also. You can see we're breaking out, man. Cameco's going to do very, very well in the long run. Our leader is top dog there. Look at another one here. Energy Fuels, it's also doing very, very well here. We're crossing. We're ladies and gentlemen. I think some of the politics and all are going to kick in here, and I think uranium trade is going to be one of the great trades toward the end of the year. We're going to do very, very well, ladies and gentlemen. Your patience is going to pay off for many of you. Let's go over to lithium here as we take a look at Patriot Battery Metals. This baby knockout has been a really, really great winner ever since we pulled it down real early. As you can see, over the last year, it's gone in one direction, and that's been up. Let's segue a little bit over to gold. I don't want to give you any gold baby knockouts. We give all our subscribers, if you want to be a Scoop Team private student and you want to get the baby knockouts early, which there are a lot of gold. We focused in the newsletter. There was an emphasis on developers and producers, which we believe are going to do very, very well. We'll be looking at exploration companies in the next issue. But let's look at the GDX here. It's getting its mojo. Looks like it's starting to turn up here on heavy volume here over the last few days or so. We'll see how that turns out. This is our carbon credit stock. I'm not going to give it away because my paid subscribers have they have this one. But we may have had a blow off top today. Here up over almost $9 here, and we just a little while back it seems like it was 35-40 cents, but we've been headed north, ladies and gentlemen. So you may want to I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but you may want to consider taking profits on that thing. We'll see. Keep an eye on it. That African Lotus to merge with ACAP Energy, I think that's going to be a good one. That's going to help our African uranium super trade, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to be a good one. Got a big giant resource, and you got a small producer that needs that. Bitcoin When do you buy
You
Bitcoin?
buy Bitcoin.
When do you buy it?
Ding, there's a bell goes off. Ding, 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 ding. You buy Bitcoin. Roughly now, the timeline is roughly 6 to 8 months before the halvening. Like I said, you're gonna have to read here, and I'm gonna tell you when the halvening is.
When, Mickey D?
You gotta go to my description. You gotta see some of that stuff. I want you to go to the store and get some of those books. 6 months before the halvening, that's when you buy Bitcoin. Are there any questions? 6 to 8 months. Are there any questions, guys? Because that may lead out now to, it may be a year. You know, we may have to, about a year from now, we may have to start dipping into some of these stocks. But have they hit rock bottom yet? I don't believe so. So if you're getting in early, if you're getting some of our maybe knockouts, I'll leave the videos, guys. There's no secrets or anything out here anymore. It's YouTube, Twitter. This is all the generation, man. This is everything. Everybody knows,
Ladies and gentlemen, past performance is not indicative of future performance. But I can tell you, we are in the Bitcoin sweet spot right now. We're 9 months or so before the halvening. I said within a year, last year, we look at it. Things are starting early. The very best charts right now are crypto charts, Bitcoin charts, stock charts, like, the ones in here, Amazon.com. It's Prime Day. You can get it for a quarter, 50 cents, $1. We want to wait until it's $3, $5? I mean, some of these stocks, as you can see, Riot is one of those stocks that may go up. I know I said it was going up to 100 here a little while back, and someone caught note of that and repeated it on one of those websites, and they caught a lot of crap, because they say you're too early predicting that Riot's going to go to $100, Mickey D. It's only $4 and $3 or whatever it was. And when it gets going, and when these stocks get going, watch out, man. Hold on to your wigs and toupees. We're not going to chase them. We're going to replace them, man. If you haven't been in a Bitcoin rally, in a crypto rally, you're in for something special. I mean, a lot of you guys think, oh, Mickey D, uranium is boring. Lithium is boring, man. I drive an electric car. I don't care about this stuff. It's boring. Gold and silver, even more boring than that. Well, I'm going to tell you something. When it comes to this Bitcoin and this crypto stuff, man, you better be early and you better be often. And if you're late, do not chase any of this stuff, ladies and gentlemen, or you will lose your head. I can tell you that right now. You take care. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. I've got to go over and see a couple more games. Got a couple more rookies I want to see, and we'll take it from there. Love you guys. Have a great rest of the trading week. Take care. God bless.